Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine. I'm gonna share with you my today's experience, what I did today. So, let's start it. First of all, I woke up around 8:30. After that, I did my daily chores. First of all, I drank my lukewarm water with lemon. After that, I freshened up, did brush, and after that, I did exercise, and also after that, I took bath. After that, I got ready and I had my breakfast. It was roti, bhunjia, and curd. I like the combination of roti bhunjia with curd and sugar. It tastes awesome. You can also try it. After that, I was watching TV and just scrolling the phone. After that, I was writing my diary, and after that, I was watching TV. And I was waiting that when will 5:30 when it will be 5:30 p.m. because I always go to play at that time. After waiting for a long time, then 5:30 p.m. came. So after that, my friend Anushka called me that let's go for playing. So I called her that I called her to my home. So after that, we together we had gone for walking. After that, the people with whom we play were not present today. They had gone to their nanny's house. So we had to come back. So we had gone to Anushka's home. After that, I was telling them a horror story. They liked it a lot. So after that, also we were chatting. We were having fun, and also Juhi, I must have told you, she's the renter in Anushka's home. So we were also talking with her. She is also our good friend. And when I was at Anushka's home, then her mother came from the market. She brought gulal and pichkari for his brother Arnav. So he was so happy to see the pichkari. He was hugging her mother for it. That she brought him the pichkari. And after that, Anushka and I, around 7 o'clock, we left her home, and then we were just taking a round. After that, one of our our junior of the second shift, Sparsh, we met him. I was I had seen this guy before. So he is in 4th or 3rd class. So I came to know that he was Sparsh only. So he was our junior. He was riding the cycle. And also we met Vikas. He is our classmate. Not section mate, he is our classmate. He is also in 8th. Now means we will go to 9th standard. So he was also riding his cycle. So we met him also. After that, we met Aparna also, one of our friend. So she was calling us that why didn't you came for playing. So we said that because Aradhya and Amrit was not there. They had gone to Nani's house, so we will not have much fun, but we will come tomorrow. So yeah, this was all about today. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.